Hello, my name is Gabby. Today I'm going to be talking about diversity and equality. So what does diversity actually mean? Diversity means differences. For example, we all look different, may speak different languages, be different ages, and may have different abilities and traits. But in the end, we're all the same. Diversity is the one true thing that we all have in common. Celebrate it every day. This quote is by Winston Churchill.
Diversity allows for difference of opinion, which means, like one person knows this thing and the other person knows that thing. They can combine to make overall a better experience than if they just knew this thing.
It's not like the same thing, and you can learn like different cultural backgrounds and new things, and just like get to meet new people and make more friends.
So when someone walks in the room, you don't really judge them on how they look. You just accept them for who they are.
Well, equality makes us all be the same and feel the same, and we're not having to deal with different issues, even though we're all the same, even though we should all be treated the same way.
Many people have different points of view, their own unique traits, which can help build a community in a different way because everyone's putting their ideas together, and it can make a stronger place.
It lets us know that we're all in it together and that we all have each other's back.
They can make places for people to share what's unique about themselves, and on that place you can find unique skills about other people, and you can talk to them about the skill.
Making other people feel equal by having discussions about it and talking about it more often.
Have more group things you can do for the community. Just like they're doing now, protesting about it and stuff, and just making a change.
I am my own person, and my mom always told me, be a leader, not a follower. And some people are different.
A lot of them are different skin colors. A lot of them speak a little differently than I do and come from a different place.
I play soccer, and most of them don't, so that's the way I can be the best for my friends.
Obviously, maybe my race, my religion. Most of my friends are from many different religions. So, we're bringing a bunch of cultures to the table. We are talking about how we live differently, and we share ideas together, and we build off of each other in our own unique ways.
From different places. I'm usually a different age from other people.
Diversity means what our differences are. Since we're all diverse, we can embrace our differences, and together we can make impacts in our community. Malcolm Forbes defines diversity as the art of thinking independently together.